Well, this fall, for the first time, the University of Montana offered a bachelor's degree in public health, complementing its master's and PhD programs. So it was a total coincidence that the first 100 level classes in public health were offered as a pandemic raged on. However, as MTN's Jill Valley reports, the pandemic has sparked even more interest.
The phrase contact tracing, something we're not going to forget anytime soon. It's how the health department determines the chain of disease and who might be exposed to not just COVID-19, but pertussis or other highly communicable diseases. And now you can be a certified contact tracer through a free course offered online through the University of Montana.
The early days of the pandemic, it was clear that there was going to be a lot of need for contact tracers.
Curtis Noonan is a professor of epidemiology in the School of Public Health at UM. Contact tracing classes were offered across the country, but this one is specific to Montana.
Because there are particular features of Montana public health activity that are unique, as it is in any state. But, Montana has particular laws and authorities that are different from other states.
So with collaboration with the State Department of Public Health and Human Services, UM Online, and the Public Health Training Center, an online course was developed. Almost 300 people have already completed the course and can get to work.
They're allowed to opt into the state system where they're in a list, and then if there is a county or a situation where they need help, they can reach out to that list of people.
And those contact tracers are working at county or tribal health departments or for healthcare providers. Some are EMTs, retirees, school nurses, or even stay-at-home parents. Public health itself has found itself in the spotlight, a busy but exciting time for the Montana Public Health Training Center.
We're certainly in the spotlight right now, and suddenly the public is, looking into public health and public health science, and finally putting it under a microscope now as to what this workforce actually does. And a lot of that, it's wonderful. People are interested, and we are ready to teach and also to reach out to that workforce and give them what they need, especially now.
In Missoula, Jill Valley, MTN News.
Thanks so much, Jill. Now you can find out more information about the course or other offerings at the center on the UM website.